Hey guys, LegalLockPIcker here, and welcome to today's episode. We are going to take a week-long in-depth look at these credit card lockpick set, or these emergency pick sets. They come in, well, they come in basically the same size. I think most of these are 25,000s, and but well, I'll have to check. But for today's purpose, we're going to jump into the pink set, which I know is 25,000s. But we are going to get into each one of these sets here, and at the end of the week, I am going to have a voting poll on Twitter and one on YouTube, and we're going to see which one of these sets you guys like the most. And every single day this week, there's going to be a video, but we're also going to give away that day's credit card pick set to the commenters and people who share the video and things like that. And we'll get into all that stuff at the end of the video. But today we are going to look at the pink set. And just for you guys waiting till the end, we did pick up some doubles, and thanks to generous donation from Vent Tools, we got a bunch of these credit card sets. I also picked up some pinks ones and ordered some tool sets as well, so every day you guys will be able to get one of your own. So today we're going to look at this pinks one. Alright, so this is from Leashy Tools. I got this from the Leashy Tools website, and from what I could tell, they're not, I don't think these are made anymore. They come in a little fold over that you keep in your wallet, which is absolutely acceptable. Then it's in a bag, obviously. Get that out too. I also pulled out some cutaway locks just so we could take a closer look here. So here they are in all their glory. You can see they say leashytools.co.uk, and they come in these detachable metal cards. Let's see. You have 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom. Looks like a deep hook, a medium, and then this is not a hook at all. This just looks like a probe. And then of course it's got the Z bar in the middle, or excuse me, a Z wrench in the the tension tool in the middle, and then 3 of the exact same at the bottom. I suppose if you are in a pinch, you only need to break off one side. These are alright, so normally it wouldn't take this long, but I'm trying to break them off so that way whoever gets these next can still use them. So just remember that. Alright, so we'll take a look at the tension tool here. It just looks like your regular top of the keyway tension tool, but I suppose you could use it in like a bottom of the key in a pinch. Yeah, these are pretty flexible. They're pretty smooth though. I have to say that these are smooth except for these 2 things right here, but remember, we're only using them for a one-timer. Let's take a look at this. Let's see if we can use this in the top of the keyway. Okay, it bends very easily, so let's see if I can't get this hook in here and see if I can't pick this sideways. They don't offer any rakes or anything, which I could see could be a problem because these bend very easily in the hand. Let's try to use it this way, shall we? So even with just a little bit of force, these bend really easily. Well, that's not good. That's not good at all. So I can see with just hooks, you're going to find this very difficult to do. I'll have to try with a I'll have to try with a probe. Now on the top part of these sets here, the actual outline of it, they kind of look like they were broken in a way that you could use them for top or bottom. So let's try this as the top part, and let's try with the probe. We're just gonna stick the probe in and just try to feel something. Try to feel something. It's not easy. Okay, looks like it popped out again. Why don't we try the bottom of the keyway, shall we? And we'll try a short hook. You have to be very careful. Okay, so it... I'm having a lot of difficulty here, and this is not my first time using these pick sets, but it's... Unfortunately, you know, you go to war with the army that you've got. Oh, I got it. Okay, so we did get an open, but I bent or broke half the tools here. And that's our one-time use. So I suppose if you are in a position where this is your last option, this might work. But like I said, you are really up against the wall here. I mean, there's no need for us to take apart any of the rest of it because they're the same 3 tools as the other ones. So, like I said, bottom of the keyway, top of the keyway, you are really using them one time and one time only. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you come back tomorrow where we're going to check out our next credit card pick set. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this set right here. And if I see your share or pick your comment, make sure you're a subscriber. If I see your share on Facebook or Reddit or Twitter and have a comment there, you could win one of these sets today. And I'll announce the winner tomorrow's video. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.